We're Justin and Jesse, and this is Floyds in the Damn Van.
If you haven't subscribed to the Floyds, what are you doing with your life? Honestly.
Good morning, everyone. We're on the road to get tattooed today. We're headed to Santa Barbara, California. Last night we slept in an industrial area, just kind of stealth camped on the street. It was a really quiet night, so that was nice. But today we're braving the LA traffic. We just got through LA and we're headed north still. We've got tattoo appointments today at 5 o'clock. It's currently 1 o'clock, so we got plenty of time, but we're gonna get there and scope out some parking. But we're currently at this really creepy, weird fueling station because diesel is super cheap here. There's places charging $6 plus, and we're only paying, I think, $4.55? $4.75. Not too shabby.
Yeah, which is still sick.
It's pretty good.
Comparatively, I guess.
It's gonna save us a lot of money. I mean, otherwise, that was like $2 more per 20 gallons.
So 40 extra dollars.
It'd have been almost $40 extra just because we didn't look and do our due diligence. But we seek out the good diesel prices, especially in California. We did have to wait in an epic line. You can see everybody here is kind of lined up. It's even into the road. But we're all here to save a few bucks.
Hey, buddy, you been enjoying Frisbee? Here at the park, the homeless park. Some fresh feelers if anyone needs me to cop these for them. They look dope AF. Let's roll, bud.
It's tattoo time. We got the van all blacked out. This is how we stealth in the city, and a good way for the pets to not be bothered when we're somewhere kind of busy. But this is our slider, magnetic cover. We made these out of foam and pillowcases. We've got the Air Max on, which is pulling air in. This is open to have a source of air for the Air Max. And then up front, we've got our door window covers and then our windshield cover. And it makes it pretty dark in here.
It's all Van Life Essential.
Yeah, that's the brand. Van Life Essential.
Except for the pillowcase cushions.
Yeah, except for the ones we made ourselves. Yeah.
See how my beard looks before we go in there? We picked the one for him.
He always uses this as a mirror. You know we're filming.
You are, but what am I?
Justin's already started crying. I told you. Such a chicken, right?
I'm gonna throw.
Like a hair? Dreidel. You go.
Been raining for a year here in fucking California, and look at all this mud washed. That is brutal. If we get stuck, there's a dude with a truck ahead.
No, that's not even funny.
I'll suck some fuel out of the tank to get us lighter.
Oh, this is so muddy.
Yee. He's clearing all the mud out of the fucking drains.
Damn. Man, we might might have found a cool little spot. I mean, other than all the rules about no overnight parking. We're headed to a secret beach.
Yeah, they blocked it off. Oh, bro.
What?
Look at this shit. What looks... I'll make sure no one's behind us. It's not as intense as I reacted, but it is.
That's some deep mud.
That, yeah.
Wow.
So what looks like the parking lot, it is. I guess it's just deeper right here.
Wow. So today, we don't even know what we're doing. We're kind of chasing the sun, and we just kind of hopped on the 101, headed towards LA. It's gonna rain more, so we're trying to find places that have some sun. But it's beautiful here, due to all the rain that California's been having. I guess there's just mud and flood everywhere.
That's probably 6 feet of mud right there deep, easily, and we just drove through.
Yeah?
Couldn't be exaggerating.
Oh, sorry. Hi, everybody. We are in sunny California. Just kidding. It's still raining.
Oh, it's miserable.
We are literally miserable. The pets are miserable. What is that floating? Did you see that just float by? Something floated by, but like, maybe it's dust. It looks like a ghost.
Yeah, it probably was. It's probably a ghost.
We are in
It's the most logical thought process.
Shut up. We are in Calabasas, home of the Kardashians, of course. They've asked us to stop by. They wanted to check out the van, so we're gonna do some driving to their houses. What do you think?
Yeah, well, I mean, I spoke with my homeboy, Cupid Yee. I spoke to him before. I was like, it's just business, brother. And he's like, shit, dog, I got you.
Yeah, so Kanye's not even upset that we're still friends with Kim.
Because he's my best friend. Kanye West is, and he knows that.
Yeah.
No, Justin, Corey, Pat, Kanye is my best friend. Like, if people ask me, who's your best friend? I'd say people from back home. If they ask Kanye, he'd be like, oh, J-Flo.
Anyways, all we gotta do is get discovered, guys. You know, maybe Brad Pitt, he's walking along, he sees the van, he Instagrams us. He says, wow, that's cool, I want to make y'all famous. That's all it takes.
Someone sees me, they're gonna be like, oh my God, God made something that good looking. We gotta get him to be a trillionaire for minimal work.
It could go that route.
And then I'm like, oh, minimum work? I don't even want to do any. And then they're like, dude, we'll just give you $1 billion then. And I'm like, fine. I'd do it.
I feel like the Hollywood scene is already going to Justin's head, so we might not be able to be here very long. So, welcome to LA. Calabasas, Hidden Hills. Let's go find us some celebrity friends. Well, we got to the gate of the neighborhood. We couldn't go very far, so much for Kris Jenner's house.
And Chloe.
Yeah, and Chloe too. I guess they just didn't want to hang out right now. Are you cold? Sun came out for most of the day, like a little bit of rain here and there. It's actually raining right over there right now.
Underwear.
Over there. You didn't even do your joke right, idiot. But we're loving just seeing the sun. It feels great. So we're out, we're walking, a little cold in the wind, but it feels great. Hello everyone. Fresh off the shower, we stopped at Planet Fitness this morning, and now we're airing up one of the tires because it's low. I don't know. We're hoping it's just weather. It's been holding pressure, it's just a lot lower than the others, so we shall see. We're in Torrance, which is also near Redondo Beach. Yes, Harry, you love it here because the sun's out. He's so happy. People are loving him. I think when the sun's out, of course, he wants to sit in the dash and get all of the heat from it that he can. But also, it like illuminates him, so when people walk by, they're just infatuated. A lot of times we'll get the, is that a dog? Or what is that? So it's kind of fun. And some people are just in love with him. And they just want to come up and pet him or just gawk at him. And we welcome it because he's cool. He's the coolest cat I know. We're loving it here, especially with the warmer weather on the rise. We've got a friend coming into town that we can't wait to see. She'll be here in like 10 days. So we're going to hang out, see what we can get into around LA because it's such a big area and there's so much to see. We might do some serial killer step tracing, you know, where you go to all the famous sites where they've killed people. Like Richard Ramirez was a big one here. We'll do the Zodiac when we go up north. If that's not your thing, I get it. You can skip right through, but we are kind of into that stuff. So watch out because that's probably what's up next. This is so gross. Well, on today's episode of What Can Go Wrong in Van Life, who wants to guess what happened today? I can only laugh about it because, like, what else can you do? Yesterday, one of our tires lost pressure a little bit quicker than the others, but there's been some weird weather, an atmospheric river came through California, brought all this rain, crazy weather, right? So we're like, okay, tire pressure varies, let's go pump it up. Woke up this morning, same tire, down again. Justin inspects it closer and we find a screw in our tire. Of course. there is the culprit. You bitch.
I'll go back here and fucking murder her.
Thank you. Thank you for fixing it.
You're welcome.
I'm glad it wasn't up to me to do that. Crisis averted. Sometimes we just put random parks in the GPS and see where they take us. This one's pretty awesome, right? We may have just found the best view in LA, possibly. You've got downtown over there, snow-capped mountains, the waves crashing. You can see the bottom of the ocean. That is the Pacific Ocean, you're right.
If you haven't subscribed to the Floyds, what are you doing with your life? Honestly.